Today I'm going to show you a tool that is going to help you answer more questions in less time using TubeBuddy's canned responses. Hi everyone, I'm Shelly. One of the easiest ways to increase your engagement online and to build your growing online community is to respond to all comments that you receive on your videos. Now, as you start to do this, you may find that very similar questions tend to come up time and time again, and you end up repeating the same types of answers. So what do? Let me show you how to access canned responses. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to a video that has comments on it. This is a video that I did over a year ago, and I actually made an updated version of this video. But anyone who's commenting on this version of the video, I want to send them to my new video. So not only I can train them and give them updated information, but I'm teaching the algorithm and YouTube that this video should be preceded by my next video. So what you would do in a lot of these circumstances, you go back to your channel videos, maybe you would look for the new video that would match that and be like, okay, here's version 2. Then you would go to the details of it. Then you would copy this link. Then you would go back to the comment. After you get that URL, you're going to come back and try to respond to a comment and say, thanks for watching. Check out version 2. And then you would have your link, right? So that didn't take too long. But what if I told you, instead of having to type all that out, you could select that, create it as a canned response. There you go. Now, if it's the type of occasion where you end up answering the same question repeatedly, make sure that the first time that you answer it, you save it as a canned response. So that way, the next time it pops up, you can simply select it as a canned response and hit reply. From the TubeBuddy drop-down menu, you can see your canned responses if you already have them saved. And if you don't have any saved, you can click the gear icon and it will take you to the website where you can create your canned responses. If you are on the free version of TubeBuddy, which is a great place to start, you will get access to one canned response. And if you are on a paid level, you will have more canned responses available to you. To create a new canned response, once you're on this page, hit the Add Canned Response green button in the upper right-hand corner and paste in what you want that response to be. Then give this response a nickname, and once you're done, you'll be able to refer to it from the drop-down menu here on your comment section. And if you just created a new canned response, you can hit the refresh button. That way it makes sure to look for any new canned responses you may have created. Now, this can also work out really well, not only for another video, but for a playlist. That way you don't have to go to the playlist section and try to find that information if what you really want to refer them to is an entire playlist, which can help you increase your watch time as well. The beauty of creating a canned response library is that you can access them not only on your computer, but even in the mobile app as well. I want to know below, what is your first canned response that you would be creating? Drop it down below as a comment. Until next time, thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you in the next video. Bye.